Welcome back. My name is Sachin, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you should know about the settings page in Condense Core. Let us understand what exactly settings section is. The settings section in Condense provides a centralized location for managing account details, Git integrations, organization admins, and workspace level configurations. It also allows authorized users to update personal info, manage organization members, roles, and review workspace associations. It also helps in monitoring member activity across workspaces. Key points to remember here is settings help in keeping account and organizational information accessible in a single place. It also helps in controlling membership and role assignments within an org. Settings help in viewing and managing workspace details from a single interface. Settings also help in tracking user activity in relation to assigned workspaces. In order for you to understand more about settings that are available in Condense Core, you can choose to view and read the entire documentation here. I have again attached this presentation to the video description. Now let us jump into Condense Core and understand how exactly you can do all of this. In order to access settings, hover on your name and select settings. Again, this is available in the nav bar. Once you are here, you can see your personal information, your email address that you've logged in with, and the link to access console. I'm not gonna go deep and tell you exactly what console means. I'm gonna do that in the next set of videos. Since I don't have the necessary information to edit details, I can see a lock button added here, which means that I cannot edit these details. So this was all the information that is available in the accounts info tab. Now let us switch to version control. Here I can choose to select and connect different kinds of available Gits. As you can see, I have connected my personal Git here, which is on GitHub, and I have connected the sales Git using GitLab. And if I want to connect my Bitbucket, I can do that by clicking this button. I'm not going to go and tell you exactly what private Git means here. I'm going to do that in next set of videos. The next section is members. Once I click on this, I can see all the users that are available in this particular org. I can see the personal details, when were the last active, the role that is assigned to them, and number of workspaces that are assigned. In order for me to change, I can click on actions and change the role here. I'm not going to change any role right now, but you can do that in case it's required. The next section is workspaces. I can see all the workspaces that are created in this particular organization. So this table shows all the names of the workspaces, the total members that are assigned in this workspace, the description that was added while creating this workspace, and who exactly created this particular workspace. I can choose to edit this workspace, edit the name, about, and add members. Since this was created by Sudeep, I don't have an option to edit this. These are all the settings that's available in Condense Core. This was a quick video. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.